Very quick explanation for installing LED turn signals on a SN95 Mustang wiring harness and experiencing hyperflash, and then trying to install one of these Amazon adjustable speed relays for the flasher just to find out that it does not plug in. Well, to adapt the system over to be able to run the LEDs and have an adjustable speed, you'll have to find the yellow flasher assembly. It's normally up under the dash on the driver's side. Now you'll see that my car is not an SN95 Mustang. I use the harness in a Thunderbird, so everything looks a little bit different, but the wiring itself is the same. So you'll take your relay. The black wire is ground, so you'll want to snip that, splice it with an extra wire. Let's see, I can't see. You have a purple and orange wire, that is your hot in, 12 volts. You'll have to cut that, as well as you have a, see, it looks like blue and pink. You'll also want to cut that wire, be the blue wire. So you'll cut those 3 wires. You want to leave the other 2 wires to the relay, the yellow factory relay, intact, as well as you'll want to put the ground wire back. You'll want to solder that back together so that the factory relay will still function. So the hazards work with the factory relay and it still flashes at normal speed. And you'll take your power in, which is the purple and orange, hook it up to your positive in the variable relay. You will you're going to want to take the blue and hook it up to your load, and then take the black and just hook it up to negative. So that's with the variable speed flasher. And you can still change the speed. So the way this is able to be tied in allows you to keep the factory flasher for the 4 ways at regular speed and still run the variable speed relay for your LED turn signals left and right. Now, I've got this set as slow as it'll go because I have plans to install sequential tail lamps in the back. So you may want to set it a little bit faster, but it's again personal preference. But a real quick recap with a good lamp, because I know it's kind of hard to see and my battery's low. Cut and splice the ground black wire, hook it up to the negative. Cut and splice the purple and orange, which is your hot in, to be positive. And cut, sorry, I want to just verify the color on this blue wire. I don't think it's solid blue. It looks like it's just solid blue. Cut the blue wire and hook it up to your load. And make sure you hook the ground back up for your flasher, for the factory flasher, as well as retain the white and red wire, which I believe is power in for the hazards, and your red and white wire, which I believe is power out to the hazards. So that's how you get one of these factory variable speed relays installed in an SN95 Mustang wiring harness with the 5-wire flasher to run LEDs.